Well, a 0.96% decline in key market indicators pushed the all-share index down to 31,678 basis points. Now, that's a drop of 544 points compared to how the market began trading this week. Losses recorded in the industrial goods sector is likely responsible for today's dip, and Dangote Cement took the biggest hit, dropping by 5 naira. That is it right here. While Stanbic IBTC is also on the losers chart today, dropping by 2%. Now, this comes barely 48 hours after the bank offered 30 billion naira Series 1 senior unsecured fixed rate note. Meanwhile, that is Stanbic right here, and Nigeria Breweries and WAPCO also had a bad day. Now, moving on to the gainers chart, it was also equity from the industrial goods sector topping the gainers chart, and that is CAT PLC making its first entry on the gainers chart with an impressive 2.6 naira gain, and the appointment of a new non-executive director for UACN seems to have boost investors' confidence on the brand as it saw more buys and sells to land a spot on the gainers chart. Well, that is CAP right here. UACN is also right here, and PZ and Guarantee Trust Bank are making the gainers chart for the second straight day this week. Well, moving on to the top traders chart right here. The banking sector is again denied total dominance of this chart, with Nigeria Breweries making its first entry on the table, but unfortunately not for the best reasons, as massive sell-off by investors made it the second most traded equity for today. Zenith Bank, which was yesterday's most traded equity, is still on this chart, but today it is declining by the same amount it appreciated yesterday, which is 0.15 naira. Well, going global now. Well, the Dow continues to dip in the wake of falling crude oil prices. Both Brent and US crude fell to new 2018 lows, dropping by more than 6%, and this has put pressure on oil stocks, while the FTSE is still falling despite a potential Brexit breakthrough. According to experts, this is because investors are being very careful in trading, while some are not trading at all. The London Stock Exchange, which fell by 1.19% yesterday, again dropped by 0.14% today, while the Nikkei was, however, closed for the day as Japan celebrates Labour Thanksgiving Day.